Web builder. Website builder are tools that allows the construction of website without manual code editing. They fall into two categories: online property tools provided by web hosting companies, typically intended for users to build their private site, and software which runs on computer creating pages offline and which can then publish this page on any host. Are you thinking how to make website? Don't worry. Make Any Site is the best website builders we have in the industry. These online website builders offer you with unique, dynamic, scalable website in no time. Make Any Site is the most popular and reputed online website maker in the industry. You can only make site with sheer perfection and do not need any developer for creating any type of website. One and only website builder that offer you with free websites. Yes, there is no hidden charges or extra payment. On this website builder, you can only pay for website hosting service and also get free domain. Offline versus online. Online website builders typically requires customers to sign up with the web hosting companies. Some companies provide examples of fully functional website made with their website builders. The range of service varies anywhere between creating basic personal web pages or social network content to making complete business or e-commerce website, either template based or on the more flexible performance totally design free. The main advantage of the online website builder is that it is quick and easy to use and often does not require prior experience. Often a website can be built and be up and running live on the internet quickly. Technical support is usually provided as are how-to video and help files. This make online website builders ideal for beginning. Sites are generally created using either HTML or Adobe Flash. HTML is standard format supported by all browsers. Flash has a growing popularity mainly since it is overcome some limitations such as not being seen by web crawlers such as Google and Yahoo and thus being indexed. Flash is more resource incentives than HTML. HTML tools are divided into those that allows editing of the source code and whose that are only have a mode. Offline web builders caters to professional web designer who need to create page for more than one client or web host. Modern offline web builders are usually both and allows direct editing of source code and cascading style sheet. They generally require at least a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. However, though they are more flexible than online builders, they are often expensive. Using a website builder is as easy as using a word processor. The times when a 5-page site was monopoly by web designer are history. Now everybody can make a simple site with minor effort and in no time at all. This is also possible thanks to special software web builders. However, it is not true to say that website builders are only great. They do have drawback, and before jumping on the web design wagon, it is good to know both the advantages and disadvantages of website builders. Advantages: website builders are easy to learn and use. Most website builders are easy to learn and use, but if one wants to really master them or to make complex design, then the task gets complicated. Low price: creating a site with the help of website builders is much cheaper than hiring a dedicated web designer. Sometimes a website builder could even be completely free. That is, there are web hosting providers who offer website builders for free as part of web hosting plan. Many website templates to choose from. The best website builders come with thousands of ready templates. which can be authorized are necessary. In such cases, chances are then even the most capricious client will find a template which meet the requirement. Disadvantages: not enough flexibility. Website builders come with a predefined set of templates, and when a user is looking for a very special layout, color combination or other features, it is not impossible that the standard templates can't be modified to reflect this. Less control over the look and feel of the site. Standard website templates can be modified but within reasonable limit. Very often there are areas which can't be changed. That is, there is a header and it can't be removed, or the menu on the left can't be deleted, etc. Such cases are rare, but they do happen. Website builders come with a contract. Sometimes website builders have binding clauses. That is, if a user wants to use the website builders, he or she must host the site with particular web hosting provider. If the web hosting provider is expensive and unreliable, it is not possible to move the site to another provider. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.idasstack.com.